एव सर्वं मम देवदेव। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ श्लोका नंबर 19। ब्रह्मेशानाच्युतेशाय सूर्यायादित्यवर्चसे भास्वते सर्वभक्षाय रौद्राय वपुषे नमः। There is a small correction in the first line. Second half, Suryaya Aditya Varchase. It must be Surya, not Sura. Ya and Repha on the top. Suryayaditya Varchase. Bhagavan Agastya Maharshi giving that the prayer by chanting which one can be successful in his or her own life. Jayam prapnoti ityartha. He will or she will achieve the victory. First he has explained that Lord Sun in the nominative case, so and so, lot of names he has given, and from 16th onwards he is offering the salutations. It shows by giving the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Namaskara, always salutations to the Lord, is always in the fourth case only. Namaha, Suryaya Namaha, Mitraya Namaha. That fourth case it implies. Brahma Ishanaha Achyuta Ishaya. The Lord Sun is the Lord of Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. Yesterday we saw, when we are seeing that nature of Ishvara, everything is Ishvara alone. Everything is Ishvara alone, that means Brahman. Brahman alone appearing in every form. So here in many places some explanations are showing the Purusha, not this sun god. The one who is in the sun is also Brahman alone. According to Shastra, two principles we saw yesterday: sentient principle and insentient principle, Chaitanyam and Achetanam. Karana gunaha karye anuvartante. The qualities or adjectives of the cause will inhere in the product. So Chaitanyam plus Jadam, both coming to existence. Tasmadva etasmad atmanah akasha sambhutah. Akasha by itself Jadam, Vayu by itself Jadam. Since from Brahman the Chaitanyam it is coming, the creation, so the sentient principle in Akasha, the sentient principle in Vayu, the sentient principle in waters, Bhumi, fire, that is the Brahman. Jadam is only Nama Rupa. Just as our body is Nama Rupa, what is another principle is there inside? That is conscious principle, Chaitanyam. So, Nama Rupa, Brahman plus Nama Rupa, Brahman plus Nama Rupa, the whole Jagat is nothing but Brahman plus Nama Rupa. So here, Brahma, Shiva and Achyuta, the Vishnu. The Lord Sun is the Lord of these three, means he must be what? He must be what? That main principle, Brahma Swarupam, he must be. But now when you look at the sun, he is the Lord of all these three Devas. Brahmaji only created actually. But how Lord Sun can become the Lord of Brahma? That must be Brahma Swarupam. Chaitanya Swarupam we have to take. Clear? Even though we are taking Nama Rupa, when you just as you do that Manjal, Pillayar, Sarva Vyapini Namaha, Pillayar Engirkar Sarva Vyapili, but Sarva Vyapi from the standpoint what? All pervading Chaitanya Swarupa. So, according to the context you have to apply. According to that context, you have to take whether Purusha or Prakriti. Purusha or Prakriti. Like that you can classify here also. Suryaya, to that Lord Sun, who is the Lord of all these three trinities, Trimurtis, Aditya Varchase. Aditya, who is the light of sun. Aditya Varchasena. This is called sentience, consciousness. Aditya Varchase means who is the light of sun. Who is the light of sun? Vedanta background also required. Even Saguna Upasana, Saguna means Guna Sahitam. So Aditya Varchase means the light. Varchas means light. Aditya means sun. The light of the sun. That means that Chaitanya Swarupam in the sun is the main infinite principle. To that power you have to salute. Artham. Clear? Surya is the Nama Rupa. Jadam. Behind that Surya another principle is what? Chetanam. Chetanam principle, sentient principle. That light of the sun must be superior than the sun Nama Rupa. So that you have to. Similarly, in our family members' name and form, when you see, you have to see the inner content. What? The Chetana Swarupam. Atma Swarupam is important. We should not see the body-mind complex here. No? Even though body-mind complex is there, tangibly 70 kgs, height, weight, color, complexion is in front of us, it is appearing, but still You go to the kosha by kosha, layer by layer, what is the inner content? What is the inner content of this pottery? Even though it is appearing shape, what is the inner content? Clay is the inner content. But pot alone is appearing, pot form, pot name appearing. But you know what is the name and form are depending on what? Clay alone. So therefore clay is the core, substratum, essence. Adhe madri, sun is also a name and form. Behind that sun, who is the substratum? Atma Brahman. Ada Suryaya Aditya Varchase. Aditya Varchase. Bhasvate. Who is the shining one? Bhasvate. Sarva Bhakshaya. Eater of all. Bhaksha means eating, swallowing. Sarva Bhakshaya. Sarva Bhakshaya means the one who swallows everything. To that Lord my salutation. Who swallows everything? Everything came from that Brahman, everything dissolved into Brahman. When he is dissolving, what is his name? Shiva. Shivan Cholra. But who is that inside? Brahmaswar. Chaitanyam Purushaha. Purushaswarupam Sarvabhakshaya Raudraya Vapushe. Vapush means body, form. Whose form is fiercing. Raudra means bhayankaram, terrible. Those who are having devotion, sadbhavana, he looks so pleasant. Anytime a person who commit mistakes, he is always afraid of other people. No? Who will find out me? Who will find out my fault? Suppose always he is always frightened. He cannot live happily, peacefully. Similarly, those who are living a unrighteous life, adharmic life, they are always afraid of powerful, almighty God. A sattvic person, righteous person, never have any fear. So he is bhayankaram, terrible to those people who commit mistakes. And the thief always afraid of everyone, police, everyone. Raudraya Vapushe Namaha. My salutations. Next shloka we will read. Tamoghnaya himaghnaya Shatrughnaya mitatmane Kritaghnagnaya devaya Jyotisham pataye namaha. Tamoghnaya. Tamas means ignorance here. Whenever we say tamas in our scriptures, it's not darkness. He is removing darkness. How you have to supply this? In the darkness, in the darkness, you cannot see the things. In the light, you can see the things. In knowledge, you know the things. By knowledge, you get the clarity about the objects. In ignorance, you do not know. That's why Ajnanam is compared to tamas, Jnanam is compared to light, Jyoti. Tamas means here Ajnanam in philosophical sense. But literal sense, he is the remover of darkness. That is true. We are seeing. But how he can remove ignorance? He must be a Brahman. Chaitanya alone can remove ignorance. Atma Jnanam alone removes ignorance. So from Vyavaharika to Paramarthika we have to travel. That is the purpose of all these prayers. He is the remover of darkness, remover of darkness. If he removes darkness, if I know, what am I going to get? Tamas means ignorance. Just as Surya Bhagavan removes that darkness, Atma Chaitanyam is that which removes ignorance. அப்படி புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். அப்படி புரிஞ்சா இதெல்லாம் மீனிங்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். இல்லைன்னா ஏதோ காக் அண்ட் புல் ஸ்டோரி மாதிரி இருக்கும். புரியுறதா? That's why Guru here teaching. இதெல்லாம் மீனிங் மட்டும் அப்படியே டைரக்டா படிக்கிறதுக்கு டீச்சரே தேவையில்லை. Tamas means darkness. The one who removes darkness, Lord Sun. அதுக்கு பெரிய டீச்சர் வேணுமா என்ன? But this hidden meaning சொல்றதுக்கு குரு வேணும். Himaghnaya. Hima means snow. Snowfall. That fog. Early morning fog will be there. That fog he will destroy. The more the sun is rising, the rays will have some heat. So the fog will slowly go away. That Himaghnaya. Gnaya means Granti iti. The one who destroys the fog. And Shatrughnaya will destruction only. Shatru means enemies. The destroyer of enemies. Shatrughnaya, to such Lord who is the destroyer of enemies. Amitatmani. Shatru means enemy. Shatrugnaha means destroyer of enemy. Shatrughnaya, to that Lord who is the destroyer of enemies. Amita atmanena mita rahitam. Mitam na limit. Na mitam amitam. Amita atma, whose form is limitless. Whose form is limitless? Not Lord Sun by name and form. He is limited planet only. Amita atma means immediately whom you have to supply? Brahman. All pervading Chaitanyam, consciousness, Purushaha iti. Purushaha is equal to Brahman, Brahman is equal to Atma, Atma is equal to consciousness, consciousness is equal to Satchit Ananda Swarupa. Ellame onnuda. I go on changing these names according to context. You have to understand. Kritaghnaya. Kritagnaha means the one who is ingratitude person. Ingratitude person. Avanne gnaya. He destroys. He destroys those people who are having the attitude of ingratitude. Kritagnyate illavaniki. Kritagnaha anartha. If you have a gratitude attitude, gratitude means what? Nandri. I taken this much from them. I am very grateful to you, thankful to you. I am very happy. சொல்லணும் சில பேர் அப்படியெல்லாம் தள்ளிட்டு போயிடுவா. அது என்ன ingratitude ன்னு அர்த்தம். And the ingratitude people will be destroyed by Bhagavan ன்னு அர்த்தம். Here Bhagavan means all pervading Ishvara ன்னு அர்த்தம். Who is in the form of sun? If he is in the form of sun, he is not in the moon. He is there everywhere, but now here Aditya Hridayam, therefore that Almighty we are invoking in this Lord Sun. Okay? Appudu purinchukanum. Kritaghnaya, the destroyer of those people who are having ingratitude nature. Therefore, adla Tamil la solluva nandri kattavane appadi irukadhe adha maha papam. Mahapapa. If I don't recognize a person or appreciate the person either by words or by money or by giving something, at least I have to show gratitude. Adha sorry, thank you, all these things. Sorry kadiyadu, thank you kadiyadu. Sila per idella namma edukku sollanum anna. The more you show vinayam, Ramana Bhagavan used to say, the more you have vinaya, the more you go to spiritually fast, grow. அதுதான் வினயம் இருக்கிறது ரொம்ப கம்மி. அந்த வினயம் வரதுக்காக தான் நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணு விழுந்துன்னு சொன்னா நமஸ்காரம் எங்க சுவாமின்னு பேக் பெயின் இருக்கு. So people அந்த வினயம் வர்றது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். ஹியூமிலிட்டி, அடக்கம். ஏன்னா நம்ம ஈகோ ஒன்று இருக்கு இல்லையோ உள்ள, அது விடாது நம்மளை. இந்த வினயம் இருக்கணும். அந்த வினயம் இருந்தால் இந்த இன்கிராட்டிடியூடு, that type of nature won't be there. அந்த இன்கிராட்டிடியூட் நேச்சர் ஏன் வருதுன்னா பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ரைட், ஈகோ, இட் வில் கம். இது எல்லாம் கனெக்ஷன். இப்போ அதை நாமே மெச்சூர் ஆகி கல்டிவேட் பண்ணிட்டு அந்த இன்கிராட்டிடியூட் பாவனை அந்த வெளியில் வரலன்னா பகவானே குட்டு கொடுப்பாரு. எப்போ he knows where to give, where to punish the person. Kritagnaaya, then Devaya. Devaya means the one who is Divyati iti Devaha, the one who gives light. Devaha, Devaya, Prakashyam, effulgent. Jyotisham Pataye Namaha, the illuminator of all luminaries. Jyotisham means all luminaries. Pataye means Lord, Master. Jyotisham Pataye Namaha. The next shloka we will read, 21. Tapta chami karabhaya Vanhaye Vishwakarmane Namastamo-bhinignaya Ruchaye Lokasakshine. Tapta chamikara bhaya. Tapta means that gold when you burn, put under fire, that molten gold which is in liquid form, molten gold whose complexion is like a molten gold. Tapta chamikaram. Tapta chamikara bhaya, whose prakasha or effulgence is like the molten gold, whose complexion is of that molten gold. Vannaye Vishwakarmane. Vannaye, the one who is the fire principle. Vishwakarmane, whose action is creating the world. Little bit increase the sound, Kunjan. Vishwakarmane means the one whose action is of the nature of creating the world. Vishwa means universe. Karmane means whose job is creating the world. Really speaking, sun is not creating. Creation done by only that Purusha with the help of Maya. So you have to take Maya Sahitam Brahman. Brahman. Who is Maya Sahitam Brahman? Ishvara. Vishwakarmani, the one who is of the nature of fire and whose action is the creating the world. To such Lord Namaha. Namaha Tamo-bhinignaya. My salutations to the one who removed darkness. Tamaha abhinignaya. Darkness like ignorance. Darkness like ignorance. Ruchaye, the one who is shining. Ruchi means shining. நம்ம ருச்சி அது இல்லை கிடையாது, இது வேற ருச்சி. Ruchaye, to the one who is shining one. Loka Sakshine. Sakshi means witnesser. Loka means world. Who is the witnesser of the whole universe, all the lokas, 14 lokas. There are 14 lokas. We are in one loka. One loka is very what to talk about the 14 lokas. Bhuvar loka, Suvar loka, Mahar loka, Jana loka, Tapo loka, Satya loka. Upper lokas is Sakshi. Therefore, even our mind, what we are thinking, who knows? Bhagavan knows. Okay, Loka Sakshini. Next shloka, 22. Nashayatyesha vaibhutam Tadeva srujati prabhuhu Payatyesha tapatyesha Varshatyesha gabhastibhihi. You can understand Nashayati Eshaha. Eshaha, this Lord Son, Nashayati, destroys. Vaibhutam, beings. Vaibhutam means beings, creatures, pranis. Panchabhutam, bhutena jatam, panchabhutani. No? All these 5 elements are the cause for these pranis. All jivas, pranis are made up of 5 elements. There are 5 elements are there in our body or not? That's why it is called Panchabhautika Udal. Not only our body, even every being in the creation made up of 5 elements. Ada Vaibhutam. Tadeva Srijati Prabhuhu. That alone the Lord again creates. Bodies may come and go, but the Sukshma Sariram Jivas will continue. He gives another body. If Papa Punya continues, he gives another body. If no Punya, no Papa, remain as Chaitanyam. So, what am I to Swami? Only illana chappun irukum Brahman. If you are that much enlightened, it is a leela. If you take body, doesn't matter. That's why Bhagavan Leela Swarup, when he wants, he will take body. And that's why Avatara. Bhagavan descends. He desired to take avatar and come. He knows Maya is under his control. But our Lord is not like that. We have fallen on the earth and miserably tormented by this Maya Prakriti. Tala adichundirukkom illiyo adi maadhiri enna ye ippudi nadakkuradhu idhu ajnanam. We are all under the grip of Maya, but Ishvara keeps the Maya under his grip. That's why Jnani is one who is the master, keeps the Maya under his grip or her grip. But Ajnanis are under the spell of Maya. That is that chinna difference. Jnani ki Ajnani ki difference is that. So you also can become the Lord. Lord of what? Maya. So when I am under the grip of Maya means sorrow and artha. Clear? கொஞ்சம் ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணுங்க அவ்வளவுதான். வீடு ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ண மாதிரி ஆர்சில வந்து ஓசிக்கு ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் வேர்ட் ததேவ சேம். Those jivas alone created by the Lord again. Srijati means creates. The Lord creates the same jivas again. He destroys. In this body they exhaust their karma. Again what? Next body. Karma is ready. Again you take another body. Body is given. Which body? Don't ask me. Your karma will decide that body. Then Payati, dries up. Eshaha, the Lord's Son, dries up everything. Adi theriyaradu. We can take direct meaning. Payati. and tapati, scorches. Tapati, varshati, it causes rain. Gabhastivihi, एषः सूर्यः एव पायति, एषः सूर्यः एव तपति, एषः सूर्यः एव वर्षति. गभस्तिभिः, through the rays. How he dries up, how he scorches, how he gives rain, through his rays. Gabhastibihi means by the rays, by his rays. Next shloka 23. एष सुप्तेषु जागर्ति भूतेषु परिनिष्ठितः एष चैवाग्निहोत्रं च फलं चैवाग्निहोत्रिणाम्. This is a fully philosophical meaning we have to take. Eshaha, this alone, Sutteshu Jagarti, now pure Brahman, Chaitanya, the one who is awake in the sleep. Lord is not awaking in sleep. How to take here? Philosophical meaning you have to take. Supteshu, while you are sleeping, who is not sleeping? Consciousness. That Chaitanyam is not sleeping. If he is also sleeping, he will sleep. Sleep. Who is sleeping? This body is so tired, eating too much in the night, going to sleep. This body goes to sleep. Even prana also will not sleep. If prana also sleep, so the person will permanently. So therefore, the Chaitanyam will never sleep. In spite of this body is taking rest. Sutteshu api jagarti. This jagarti must be what? Not the Lord's son. அதே எடுத்துக்கலாம். He will not sleep. அந்த பக்கம் he is giving you right. நமக்கு தான் கொஞ்சம் இங்க டார்க்னஸ் இருக்கே தவிர he is not sleeping. So ವ್ಯಾವಹಾರಿಕ ದೃಷ್ಟ್ಯಾ if you take Lord Son is not sleeping, he is giving light. ಪಾರಮಾರ್ಥಿಕ ದೃಷ್ಟ್ಯಾ philosophical meaning if you take that Chaitanyam consciousness is there. That's why you are able to say after waking up, I slept well. Because consciousness is, I am conscious of my good sleep. Therefore you are able to express. This is a subtle point. Sukteshu means in sleep. Jagarti means waker. He is the waker in deep sleep. Where? In whom? Bhuteshu. Who is sleeping? We the bhutas. Bhutas anandanda bhutam kadiyadu. Bhutas. Beings. In beings, he is abiding. Parinishtitaha means abiding. Abiding in the beings, he is awaking even though beings are sleeping. The Chaitanyam, Atma Swarupam. Abiding in those beings, all pranis, even though they are sleeping, he is awake. Supteshu jagarti bhuteshu parinishtitaha. Second line, that means eshaha means here consciousness. Chaitanyam, Atma Swarupam. இந்த மாதிரி லைன் எல்லாம் வந்த போது நல்லா தூக்கமே வந்துடும். philosophical meaning அப்போ ஹாட் வெண்பொங்கல் சாப்பிட்டு அது கோயிலுக்கெல்லாம் போய் மலையெல்லாம் ஏறி வந்த என்ன வேணும் வந்த. Parinishtitaha means abiding in. pervaded by. Parinishthitaha means who is abiding in all beings. So, how he is abiding in all beings? Because he is all pervading. So that consciousness is there. How to know, Swami, that consciousness? Yesterday I told you, I am conscious of this flower. I am conscious of. I am conscious of. That means what? I, the consciousness principle. Parinishthitaha. Abiding in this body-mind complex. That is my nature. Well, that is my consciousness and chana very I do. That is I am the consciousness. That is my nature. That is my nature. I am the consciousness. The body is belong to me, but I am not the body. I am consciousness. I am in this body. But இப்போ என்ன சொல்றோம்? I am the body. கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் இருக்க உள்ள எங்கேயோ. இப்படி அது மாற்றணும், ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணணும். So I am the consciousness. Body belong to me. Now is this available? அப்படி சொல்றேன். Brahma Vidya, for a qualified person, very simple. For unqualified person, mathematics is easy or difficult? Customer, easier mathematics. சொல்லவே முடியாது. కాబట్టి బ్రహ్మ విద్య కూడా కష్టమా సులువా అన్న ఎప్పుడు తెలియమన్నా, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ క్వాలిఫైడ్, ప్రిపేర్డ్, సాధన చతుష్టయ సంపత్తి ఇస్ దేర్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈజీ ఫర్ యూ. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ దేర్, tough above head da there say when it goes above head, in the head ku enna varuna thooka vandudu. That's what when Kumbhakarna died, Nidra Devi asked Lord Rama, where to go now you have killed that Kumbhakarna? As long as Kumbhakarna is there, I am sleeping, I am with him happily, I am surviving. Now Kumbhakarna gone, where to go? Rama said, who are all listening to Vedanta classes, அங்கே போன அதுக்கு வேதாந்த கிளாஸ்ல முக்கால் வாசி. Go. That means just joke only, don't take really. See, sometimes the people remember the jokes well. என்ன விஷயம் மறந்துடும். என்ன ஜோக்ஸ் ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கா இருக்கும். சில பேர் இங்க சிரிக்க மாட்டேன், புரியாது, வீட்டுக்கு போய் பாத்ரூம்ல சிரிப்பான். வீட்டுல people all ask, why you are laughing? உனக்கு தெரியாது, சீட்டு இது எப்போ ஜோக் நியான் லைட் மாதிரி, டியூப் லைட் மாதிரி அப்போ எரியும். அது இருக்க இன்சிடென்டல் பாயிண்ட், there is no relevance. ஏஷஹ ச ஏவ அக்னிஹோத்ரம் ச பலம் ச அக்னிஹோத்ரிணாம். Agnihotrina means for those people who perform the rituals, Agnihotra, Vedic rituals. Agnihotri means the one who performs Vedic rituals. For those people, he is the result, he is the ritual. Who? Lord's son. Agnihotram means the fire ritual. Phalam, the result of that fire ritual, also he alone. For whom? For those people who perform. Those who are not performing, not for them. So yeshaha cha eva agnihotram cha phalam cha eva agnihotrinam. Simple ariklo. Now you are getting easily, no? Agnihotrina. Next shloka. Next shloka there is a correction. Devascha is there, but you convert into the Vedascha. Not Devascha, Vedascha. We will read. Vedascha kratavaschaiva Kratūnām phalameva ca. In second line also there is correction. Yani krityani lokeshu sarva esha ravi prabhu అని పోతుంది. సర్వ ఏవ రవి ప్రభు. సర్వ ఏష రవి ప్రభు. ఏవేషు పరమ is there that you strike off. సర్వ అపరం ఏషః రవిః ప్రభు. యాని కృత్యాని లోకేషు సర్వ ఏష రవి ప్రభుః. The Lord Sun, Adityaha alone, the Paramatma ityartha here. Paramatma alone. Vedascha means of all those Vedas. Kratavahacha means all rituals. And Kratunam phalam, the result of those Kratus. Those rituals which are already said in Vedas, those rituals and their results, Kratunam phalam evacha. He alone, Vedas, the rituals and the rituals giving phalam also, he alone. Kratu means ritual. Kratavaha means rituals. Kratunam, of those rituals, phalam, result. Yani krityani lokeshu. Whatever all performed in these lokas and higher lokas, in any loka for that matter, yani krityani lokeshu sarva esha ravi prabhu. All of them are nothing but the Lord Sun alone. Prabhu means Lord, Ravi means sun, sarva means all. In all lokas, whatever ritual said in Vedas, done anywhere, all belong to the Lord alone. That's why never claim this is mine, I have done. Why moody? Ella Bhagavan jalli Krishnarpanam ani chollu, Ishwararpanam ani chollu. That's why our people say always do samarpanam to Bhagavan. Every action, everything to Bhagavan. Otherwise we will develop ego, that ahankara. So, Shivarpanamastu, Krishnarpanamastu, Ramarpanamastu. Your Ishtadevata. Give it to him. Devascha is not there. That's why Vedascha I said. Vedascha Kratavascheva. Kratu. Kratunam. Kratavaha means Bahuvachanam, nominative case. Kratavaha. Kratunam Shashti. Sixth case of those rituals. Kratunam. That's konja grammar venu. Kratunam is Shashti Bahuvachanam. Kratavaha is Pradhama Eka Bahuvachanam. Nominative case in the rituals. Kratunam is of those rituals, whatever performed, given in Vedas, all of them are none other than the Lord Sun. Kratavaschaiva kratunam phalamevacha yani krityani lokeshu sarva esha ravi prabhu. Next shloka. Enamapassu krutreshu kantareshu bhayeshu cha kirtayan purushah kaschit Navasidati Raghava. Hey Raghava, the one who born in Raghuvamsha is called Raghava. Hey Raghava, Enam Kirtayan Purushaha Kaschit na avasidati. Enam means this stotram, this Aditya Hridayam stotram, upasana, meditating upon the Lord Sun by knowing all these glories. Enam, when you have to chant apatsu, In calamities, crisis, apad, apatsu, saptami bhuvachanam, seventh case, locative case, apatsu, kriccheshu, in afflictions. Kricha means afflictions. For any chronic diseases, problems in the life a person is facing, kriches, afflictions, when he is undergoing, that time whoever chants, then kantareshu, in the forest, kantara means forest, kantareshu bhayeshu, when he is in the forest he is afraid of, even though we are not in forest also we are having fear. In the heart of the city, midst of near and dear people, enna bayama irukku, adu eppudu undu namakku bayam. That fear, bhayeshu, in the forest, when you have fear and when you have problems, crisis, calamities, when in apada, adverse situations, kirtayan purushaha, a person who chants, purushaha, kirtayan, sing, glorify. Kirtayan enna paadradhu, stuti pandradhu, kirtikkiradhu solluvaanga, praising the Lord. What will happen? Kaschid na avasidati. Any person does not come to grief. Avasidati means grief. Na avasidati. He will never get grief. Kaschid na avasidati. He will never fail in getting the phalam. He will get the phalam. He will be free from that sorrow, that afflictions. 26. Who kricheshu means afflictions. Pujayasvainamekagraha devadevam jagatpatim etat trigunitam japtva yuddheshu vijayishyati. Here also one correction. Vijayishyasi or Vijayishyati also okay. When he talks about only to Rama, Vijayishyasi, from Vijayishyasi. If he is talking from the standpoint all people, Vijayishyati, other people, he will come out of those, he will get victory. Vijayishyasi means you will get victory. இப்போ ஒரு ஃபீலிங் ஆதித்ய ஹிருதயம் படிக்கிறவன் சந்தோஷம், கிராமர் வரலையேன்னு கவலை, வியாக்கரணம் தெரியலையேன்னு ஒரு கவலை. அப்படின்லாம் வேண்டாம், புரிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் யூ கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். ஓகே, వ్యాకరణ తెలియలన్నా కూడా యూ విల్ గెట్ ఆదిత్యాస్ బ్లెస్సింగ్స్. ఓకే, పూజయస్వ హే రామ, మే యూ వర్షిప్, మే యూ వర్షిప్, పూజయస్వ హూం ఏనం, may you worship the Lord Son with this stotram, meditate upon him. How you have to meditate? Not while doing kitchen work, while traveling in the car lo CD pottittu appadilla ekagraha. Many students are asking now, Swamini, எப்படியாவது பண்ணலாமன்னா, இது இல்லை, எப்படியாவது என்னென்ன அர்த்தம்? வேரிங் ட்ரெஸ்ல அயர்ன் பண்ணி நல்ல எப்படியாவது வேர் பண்றோமா என்ன? எப்படியாவது வேர் பண்றது இல்லையா? ட்ரெஸ் அழகா நல்லா வாஷ் பண்ணி அயர்ன் பண்ணி ஸ்டார்ச் போட்டு எல்லாம் பண்றோமா இல்லையா? பகவான் பூஜைக்கு வந்தப்ப மாதம் எப்படியாவது பண்ணலாமா? அங்க என்ன காம்ப்ரமைஸ் தெரியல. Why this compromise? Taking it as granted. பாவம், அந்த பகவான் கேட்க மாட்டாரு. பகவானுக்கு தெரியும், he is taking care of everything of himself, but when he come to me, akshadam samarpayami, akshadam samarpayami, for everything akshada போட்டுடுவா. என்ன வஸ்திரம் என்ன வாங்குறது எதுக்கு, வேஸ்ட், akshadam samarpayami. இவன் மாத்திரம் ட்ரெஸ்ஸுக்கு மேல வாங்கி 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 போட்டுடுவா வீட்டுல. பகவானுக்காக அழகா ஒரு வஸ்திரம் வாங்க கூடாதோ? வீட்டில் அழகா அலங்காரம் பண்ணக்கூடாது பண்ண மாட்டேன். எவ்வளவு கஞ்சூசித்தனம் பாருங்க. வெரி வெரி தென் பகவானுக்கு தெரியும். வாட் எவர் வி கெட் நோ தட் வி ஷுட் கிவ் டு பகவான். ஃபுட் ஆல்சோ நமக்கு எப்படியோ பகவானுக்கு கூட அதிகமான பண்ணணுமே தவிர குறையக்கூடாது. இதெல்லாம் டெம்பிள்ல பண்ணணுமா, தேவையா, நம்ம எதுக்கு சாப்பிடணும் அப்போ அது கேட்க மாட்டோம். Yes, though we are doing everything waste. How we are getting everything Bhagavan? From Bhagavan only we are getting. Is it not our responsibility? Whether he is eating or not, it is not the question there. It doesn't matter. We should not question all those things. This is my gratitude I am showing. It invisible form, it goes, it comes in the punya form. This is called Shraddha. This is called Shraddha. Unknown factor I have to accept. Then only the man to divine man. Pujayasva ekagraha enam pujayasva. Who is he? Deva Devam, the Lord of gods. All other gods, small g, the Lord of other gods. Jagat Patim, the Lord of universe. Jagat means universe, Pati means Lord. Jagat Pati. What is the benefit? Etat Trigunitam Japtva Yuddheshu Vijayishyasi. By chanting this Etat, this Aditya Hridayam, Trigunitam, 3 times, Japtva, having chanted, Yuddheshu, in the battlefield, Vijayishyasi, you will get victory. By chanting this stotram 3 times at least, you will get victory. Here, context is Yuddha. Namakenda Yuddham anna. Nama manasukale namak Yuddham. Okay, next shloka. Asmin kshane mahabaho Ravanam tvam vadhishyasi eva mukva tato gasyah jagama cha yatha gatam. He Mahabaho, asmin kshane, he mighty armed Rama, at this moment, asmin kshane, at this moment itself, tvam Ravanam vadhishyasi, you will kill Ravana. Tvam, you, vadhishyasi, you will kill Ravanam, that Ravana. Evam uktva, having said this, uktva, having said this, uttered these words, tataha, then, Agastyaha, Bhagavan Agastya Maharshi, Jagama, went back, Yathagatam, from where he came, he went back, having taught this prayer to Lord Rama, you will kill Ravana, and sollite, Agastya went away, the way he came. Etat shrutva mahatejaham nashta shoko bhavatadam dharayamasa supritaham raghavah prayatatmavan. Etat shrutva, having heard this, Mahateja, the Lord who is valorous, Rama, having heard this, Shrutva means having heard these words of Agastya Bhagavan, Nashta Shokaha Abhavatul, he became free from sorrow. Nashta Shoka means free from sorrow. Abhavat, he became free from sorrow. Then means when he heard those words of Agastya Bhagavan and meditated When Agastya left, Dharayamasa Supritaha Raghava Prayatatmavan. With a disciplined mind, Prayatatmavan means with a focused mind, with full attention, Supritaha, with a pleased mind, Dharayamasa Raghavaha. The Lord Rama meditated upon, Dharayamasa means meditated upon, Supritaha means pleased, Prayatatmavan means who disciplined his mind, focused his mind with full faith, Shraddha, Bhakti. He meditated upon Aditya. Adityam preksha jatvatu param harshamavaptavan trirachamya dhanu शुचिर्भूत्वा त्रिराचम्य शुचिर्भूत्वा धनुरादाय वीर्यवान्. When Lord Rama doing this meditation, Adityam Preksha, having seen that Adityan, Surya Bhagavan, what he did, Trirachamya Shuchir Bhutva, he has taken after sipping the water, Achamanam, after sipping water ceremoniously 3 times. We do know Achyutaya Namaha, Keshvaya Namaha, Govindaya Namaha, like that he also did. Having became pure, Shuchir Bhutva, having became pure, having taken that Achamanam 3 times, Viryavan, the one who is valorous, having seen the Lord Sun and chanted Adityam Preksha Japtva Param Harsham Avaptavan, gained great happiness by seeing Lord Sun, and he did Achamanam, and such a valorous Rama with a pure heart, making himself pure, body, mind, and he took the bow into his hand. Dhanuradaya. He took his hand into the bow into his hands. Ravanam prekshya hrushtatma yuddhaya samupagamat sarvayatnena mahatam vadhetasya dhruto bhavat. Ravanam prekshya, having seen, by pleased at seeing Ravanam. Now he is pleased to see Ravana. He knows he is going to kill. Who has come prepared, Yuddhaya Samupagamat, who came to fight with Lord Rama. Sarvayatnena mahata, mahata sarvayatnena, by great effort, Rama, who has come prepared with full effort for the battle, he became resolved in killing. So, yuddhaya samupagamatu sarvayatnena mahata tasya vadhe dhritaha abhavatu. He resolved in killing him with great efforts. Sarvayatnena mahata sarvayatnena tasya vadhe dhritaha abhavat. And with full great effort in killing him, Rama became successful. And he killed, Ravana killed vilindittar and artham. Dhritaha, dhrite abhavat. Sarvayatnena. Atharaviravadan niriksha Ramam Muditamanah paramam prahrishyamanaha निशिचरपति संशयं विदित्वा सुरगणमध्यगतो वचस्त्वरेति अथ then Ravihi, the Lord Sun, Avadan, Ramam Niriksha Avadan. So Ravana is standing, came in front, then Rama is ready to kill. That time Lord Sun, what he said? Vidala Ravana vida porar kila. Avadan Niriksha, Ramam Niriksha. Lord Sun saw that Lord Rama Muditamanaha Paramam Prahrishyamanaha. The Lord Sun, pleased mind, seeing Rama Prahrishyamanaha, Muditamanaha, with happiness, seeing Rama, being greatly elated by seeing Rama, Nishicarapati Samshayam Viditva, knew that Viditva means having known Samshayam, the destruction of this Nishicarapati means Ravana, Suragana Madhyagataha Vachaha. Suragana Madhyagataha means midst of great all the devas, the Lord Sun came with all the devas, and Ravana is standing, Rama is here. Lord Sun says, Tvara, leave the arrow. Lord Sun says, the words Tvara means hurry up, don't waste time, hurry up, muhurtam now to kill Ravana. Hurry up. Tvara iti vachaha avadan. Purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.